Welcome to episode 2 of our Naturopathy study series. In this session, we begin our deep dive into human anatomy and physiology, starting with one of the most complex and essential systems in the body, the digestive system. Understanding how the digestive tract works from end to end is critical for naturopaths, as it plays a central role in energy, immunity, detoxification, and overall vitality. The digestive system, also known as the gastrointestinal tract or GI tract, is a continuous tube stretching about 25 feet from the mouth to the anus. It consists of two main parts, the alimentary canal and the accessory organs. The canal includes the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Accessory organs, such as the salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas, play supportive roles in digestion and absorption. Digestion begins in the oral cavity, where mechanical breakdown through chewing and chemical digestion through enzymes like salivary amylase initiate carbohydrate metabolism. The pharynx then channels the food into the esophagus, where rhythmic muscular contractions, called peristalsis, transport the food bolus to the stomach. In the stomach, food is mixed with gastric juices, which include hydrochloric acid and pepsinogen. These substances create an acidic environment, activate enzymes, and start the digestion of proteins. Gastric glands in the stomach lining secrete these compounds, while mucous cells protect the stomach wall from its own acid. From the stomach, food enters the small intestine in the form of chyme. This is where most digestion and absorption occur. The small intestine has three segments: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Its inner lining is covered in villi and microvilli, dramatically increasing surface area for nutrient absorption. The pancreas contributes digestive enzymes like lipase and trypsin, while the liver produces bile, stored in the gallbladder, to emulsify fats. Nutrients such as amino acids, monosaccharides, fatty acids, and vitamins are absorbed here and sent into the bloodstream or lymphatic system. Next, chyme moves into the large intestine, where water and electrolytes are reabsorbed. The remaining material is compacted into feces. This section includes the cecum, colon, rectum, and anal canal. The large intestine is home to trillions of beneficial microbes, your gut microbiota, that help ferment undigested fibers into short-chain fatty acids, supporting colon health and systemic balance. The digestive system is closely regulated by the enteric nervous system, often called the second brain. It operates largely independently of the central nervous system, controlling motility, secretion, and blood flow. Naturopaths should understand how stress and the autonomic nervous system, particularly the parasympathetic state, influence digestion and nutrient assimilation. For naturopaths, supporting digestion is often the first step in any treatment plan. Herbal bitters, digestive enzymes, probiotics, and mindful eating practices are commonly used to restore function. Understanding the structure and physiology of each digestive organ allows you to assess symptoms holistically and choose targeted, natural interventions. Conditions like IBS, leaky gut, acid reflux, and food intolerances are not merely gut issues. They reflect broader systemic imbalances. This makes digestive health central to naturopathic philosophy and practice. To master the digestive system, study it segment by segment. Use label diagrams to reinforce organ locations and functions. Create flashcards for enzymes, hormones, and processes like peristalsis and absorption. And most importantly, always think about how anatomy and physiology translate into real-world clinical situations. The digestive system is more than a nutrient processor. It's an immune barrier, a communication hub, and a cornerstone of whole-body health. In the next episode, we'll explore the nervous system and how it interacts with digestion and emotional well-being. If you found this deep dive valuable, hit like, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more simplified yet in-depth naturopathy education. See you in episode 3.